Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 19 of Surah Al Aaraf and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ويا آدم اسكن أنت وزوجك الجنة ومخرج الفاء circle in your lips for top on your jaws the sound is short يا مد منفصل جايز make it 4 counts long a 2 counts long da for top on jaws the sound is short mus for the circle in left attached scene in sip of Rakhawa and it is light and it has a Safir Muskun for the circle ellipse attached with Nun will of Tawasut and Hukmu with Har. Hamza is sharp of a top on jaws, and then there is Ikhfa. This Ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight and go towards the makhraj of ta, and you are keeping the sound in your nose. Ta for fatha on jaws, the sound is short and sharp, no flow of sound. ومخرج of واو circle in your lips for top and jaws. زو for top and jaws attached. Wow is wow lean. So when you're joining fatha with wow, you're making it soft. Ju for the circle in lips. And jim is uh, uh, there is no flow of sound. Ju كل for fatha on jaws attached with lam will get of tawassut. Jan for jim is majhura letter, no flow of sound. And for fatha on jaws attached with noon will get sifa of gunnas is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ta sharp sound for fatha on jaws, the sound is short. F give hamsin fa for fatha on jaws, the sound is short. Ku for the circle lips and keep gap light. La 2 counts long. Min for kasra give e sound attached with nun will get sip of the was that hukmu with har. Hay ha from middle part of your throat with hums for pata open jaws attached with ya. When you are attaching with ya, you are making it soft because this is yailin. Hay tu for the circle lips, the sound is short. She for kasra give e sound attached with hamza. Hamza will give you abrupt sound, abrupt stop because hamza is shidda letter. The makhraj will cut off the sound abruptly. She two for the circle lips. The sound is short. Ma 2 counts long. Wa makhraj of waw circling your lips for top and jaws. The sound is short. La 2 counts long. Taq ta is sharp for top and jaws. Attached qaf. Qaf will be heavy and it has qalqala, very sharp qalqala. Taq ra is heavy because of this fatha and the sound is short. Ba 2 counts long. Ha 2 counts long. The for kasra give e sound. Hish for kasra give e sound attached with shin. Shin will get sifa of raqawa and it is light and it has the fashi. Hish for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short with fatha. Ja majhura letter. There is no flow of sound. Ja for fatha upon jaws. Ra is heavy because of this fatha. Ta sharp sound for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. F give hams in fa for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Ta sharp sound, no flow of sound, no flow of sound. Ta ku for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Na 2 counts long. Mi for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Now keep noon light, but dha is heavy. Dha will get sipa for a khawa and it is heavy. Now no, no. And then the 2 counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Mean. Because of this fact, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad added li sukun. ويا آدم اسكن أنت وزوجك الجنة فكلا فكلا من حيث شئتما ولا تقربا هذه الشجرة فتكونا من الظالمين. F, give Hamsin fa for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Was, makhraj of power circle in your lips for fatha upon jaws, attach with sin will get sifa of. It is light and it has safir. Was, wa for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Sa for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Who for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Mash for fatha upon jaws, attach with shin will get sifa of. It has the first she and it is light. Mashay. Yeah, is yailin. So when you are attaching fatha with ya, you are making it soft. Shay. Ta. Ta is most heaviest letter in the Quran. Make sure you are giving extra heaviness in it by lifting your tongue up and pasting on your palate and making it, you are making it 2 counts long here. And because of this qa, this alif is heavy too. Ta, nu, for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Li, for kasra give e sound. Yube, yeah, is light for the circle ellipse attached. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. Yube. D, for kasra give e sound. Ya, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Hu, for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ma, 2 counts long. Ma, 2 counts long. Woo. This is wow. So make sure you give the sound of wow by circling your lips well. And then there is dhamma. Make it 2 counts long. Woo. Iri. Ra is light because of this kasra. Yeah. Yeah is light. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. An. Ain from middle part of your throat. For fatha upon jaws, attach it noon. Noon will get sifa of tawasut. And hukmuhu idhar. Who for the circle lips, the sound is short. Ma, 2 counts long. Mia for kasra give e sound. And this ikhfa is light. This so make your mouth ready to say seen, and you are keeping the sound in your nose. This is gunna. The most important part of ikhfa is gunna. So you're keeping the sound in your nose for longer time. Meow. This is wow lean, so you are making it soft when you are attaching fatha with wow. So 2 counts long, and hamza is sharp. T for kasra give e sound. The sound is sharp. He for kasra give e sound. Ma 2 counts long. Wa makhraj of wow circling your lips for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Qaf is heavy, and because of this qaf, this alif is heavy too. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. This la, ma, 2 counts long. Na, very sharp, short sound. Na, ha, 2 counts long. Ku, for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ma, 2 counts long. Rob, ra is heavy because of this fatha, and as it will attach with ba, it will get sif of shidda. The makhraj of will cut off the sound abruptly. Rabbu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ku for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. And kaf is light. Ma, 2 counts long. On ain from your throat. For fatha upon jaws, attach it noon. Noon will get sifa of uh, tawassut, and hukmu with her. Ha, 2 counts long. The for kasra give e sound. The sound is short. Hish. For kasra give e sound attached. Sheen. Sheen will get sifa of rakhawa. It has the first she and it is light. Hish. Sha for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Ja. Majhura letter. No flow of sound for fatha upon jaws. Ja. Ra for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Ra is heavy because of this fatha. T for kasra give e sound. Il. Hamza is sharp. For kasra give e sound. Attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La. Mad. Munfasil jaiz. Make it 4 counts long. Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws. As you will touch ikhfa, you will hide the sound of noon. You are going towards the makhraj of ta. You are keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. That is called hunna. Ta. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ku. For the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Na. 2 counts long. Ma. Very sharp sound for fatha upon jaws. La. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Kay. Kaf is light and ya is yailin. So make it soft when you are attaching fatha with ya. Kay ni for kasra give e sound. The sound is short. Ow, hamza is sharp. This wow is wow lean. You're making it soft when you're attaching fatha with wow. Ow, ta, very sharp sound. Ku for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Na, 2 counts long. Mi for kasra give e sound. Nal for fatha open jaws attach it. Lam will get sif off the wasut. Kho is heavy. And make it 2 counts long. Qali for kasra give e sound. Din. Because of this vowel, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat lis sukoon. Make sure when you are making it long, you are not keeping the long sound in your nose, and you are giving tawassut on noon at the end because it has sukoon now. فوسوس لهما الشيطان ليبدي لهما ما وري عنهما من سوآتهما وقال ما نهاكما ربكما عن هذه الشجرة إلا أن تكونا ملكين أو تكونا من الخالدين. ومخرج of circle in your lips for fatha open jaws. Qaf is heavy, make it 2 counts long. Se for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ma for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Hu for the circle lips, the sound is short. Ma mad munfasil jaz, make it 4 counts long. In hamza is sharp for kasra, give e sound, attach it. Nun gas sipa kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ni 2 counts long. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ku for the circle lips, the sound is short. Ma 2 counts long. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Mi for kasra, give e sound, attach it. For kasra, give e sound and the sound is short. Mi Nan for fatha upon jaws attach it. Nun will get sip of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, then it is 2 counts long. Sli, sad is heavy for kasra, give e sound. The sound is short. Heen. Because of this vowel, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad alit lis sukoon. وقاسمهما إني لكما لمن الناصحين. Give hamsin fa for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Dal for fatha upon jaws. Dal is very sharp sound. There is no flow of sound for fatha upon jaws. Attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Dal la 2 counts long. Hu for the circle in lips. The sound is short. Ma 2 counts long. B for kasra give e sound. Gu ghain is heavy for the circle in lips. The sound is short. Ru Ra is heavy because of this dhamma. You're making because of this verb, you're giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarid lis sukoon. When you are stopping, you're giving tawassut on Ra, and Ra will be heavy because there is dhamma before it. Fa, give hamsin fa for fatha open jaws. Lam for fatha open jaws, attach it. Neem will get sip of kunna. This kunna is sakmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma 2 counts long. The 2 counts long. Qosh This is qaf is heavy, and yeah, there is one rule hidden here. It's a gem here hidden. So the qa is for tasniya. There are two people we are talking about, Hazrat Adam alayhi salam and Hawa alayhi salam. But when we are attaching this qaf with sheen because of iltiqa as-saqinain, uh, so this seems that this is only qaf, like this is singular, the qaf. When we attach it, it seems like this. But to keep this two meaning of two people here, to keeping it, for keeping this meaning safe, we are giving number here. We are giving number when we are attaching qaf with sheen. We are giving number here to show that there was meaning of two people here. The shajarati, because when we are giving we are attaching qaf with sheen simply, we are making it singular. We are making the, but this is the qa. So to keeping this meaning safe, we are giving number here. We are attaching qaf with sheen with a jump to show that there is the hidden alif here. The qashaja, shajarata, sha, fatha upon jaws, the sound is short, ja. So highlight it and make sure you give number here, because there is no sign of doing it. But as alhamdulillah, people of knowledge know that we have to save this meaning by applying number here. The qashin as rakawa, it has it has tafashi, and it is light. Qasha, sha for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. A ja majhura letter, no flow of breath or sound. For fatha upon jaws, ja ra is heavy because of this fatha. Ta, very sharp sound. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ba for ba is majhura letter. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. That for fatha upon jaws attached ta will get sip of hums, and hums is flow of breath. But the hums should be from the makhraj of ta. You are not going to a makhraj of seen. It's not badat. This sound is wrong. Badat, badat, la for fatha upon jaws. Who for the ma circle lips, the sound is short. Ma, two counts long. So gives Safir on seen for fatha upon jaws, and this waw is waw lean, so make soft when you are attaching fatha with waw. So hamza is sharp, make it two counts long. Two for the ma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Who for the ma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ma, two counts long. Wa makhraj of waw is circling ellipse for fatha upon jaws. Ta is heavy. Mutbaqa, make it short. Ta, fi, give hams in fa, for kasra give e sound. Qaf is heavy because of this qaf. Alif is heavy too. Whenever this alif is accompanied by heavy letter, it will be heavy. When it will be accompanied with a light letter, it will be light. So here it is heavy. Qa, ya, yeah, is light for fatha upon jaws attached. Kha will get sifa for khawa, and it is heavy. Yahsi, Sad is heavy for kasra give e sound. Si, fa give hams, make it two counts long. Ni for kasra give e sound. Ain from your throat nicely. Lay, ya lean, so make it soft when you are attaching with fatha with ya. Lay, he for kasra give e sound. Ma, two counts long. Mew for kasra give e sound, and this is idgham. This idgham is gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Huwa makhraj of waw is circling yellow for fatha upon jaws. Ra is heavy, and ra is heavy because of this fatha, and sound is short. Qil for qaf is heavy for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa tawassut and hukmu idhar. Jannah, Jim is majhura, no flow of sound. Fatha upon jaws, attach it noon. Noon will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time first. Jan, and then with fatha, it is attached with ha. This ta is changed into ha because of this waqf. Jannah. And ha will get sifa of rakhawa. ومخرج الفاء circling yellow ففتح open jaws na two counts long the sharp sound majhural sound no flow of sound make it two counts long who for the circle if the sound is short ma two counts long rob ra is heavy because of this fatha and as it will touch with ba it will get sif of shidda is cutting off the sound abruptly rob Woo for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Who for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ma, mad munfasil jais, make it four counts long. A, very sharp sound. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Lam, for fatha open jaws, attach with mim, we will get sifat tawasut and hukmuhu idhar. And hamza is sharp. For fatha open jaws, attach with noon, will get sifat tawasut and hukmuhu idhar. Ha for fatha open jaws. Last part of your throat should be engaged for ha. The sound is short. Ku for the circle ellipse. The sound is short. Ma two counts long. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. And this ikhfa, the coming up ifqa is light because ta is among light letters. You're going towards the makhraj of ta. You're hiding the sound in your nose. Til. For kasra, give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ku. For the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Mash. For fatha open jaws attached with sheen. Sheen will get sifa of rakhawa. It has the first she and it is light. Masha. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ja. Jim is majhura. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ra. Ra is heavy because of this fatha. Ta is very sharp sound, no flow of sound. For kasra, give e sound. Wa makhraj of paw circling yellows. For fatha open jaws. A very sharp sound. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Qu. Qul. Qaf is heavy for the circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sip of tawassut. La. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ku. For the circle ellipse, make it light. And for the circle ellipse, and the sound is short. Ku. Ma. Mad muttasil wa munfasil jaiz, make it four counts long. In hamza is sharp for kasra, give e sound attached with noon will get sifa of kunna. In and then with fatha it is attached with sheen. Nash. Sheen has a rakhawa, sheen has the fashi and make it light. Nashai. Yeah, lean, so make it soft when you are attaching fatha with ya. Ta is the most heaviest letter in Quran. Make sure you are giving itbaq. You are pasting your tongue on your palate, and because of this ta, this alif is heavy too. Ta na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ku for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ma two counts long. Ain from your throat nicely. Do for the circle ellipse attached with wow. Whenever wow and ya are with tashdid, you are giving number and number is jump off sound. Do ma idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Been because of the swap, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long over into four. This is madarid lis sukun. فدلاهما بغرور فلما ذاقا الشجرة بدت لهما سوآتهما وطفقا يخصفان عليهما من ورق الجنة وناداهما ربهما ألم أنهكما عن تلكما ألم أنهكما عن تلكما الشجرة وأقل لكما إن الشيطان لكما عدو مبين وأقل لكما إن الشيطان لكما عدو مبين سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.